Welcome kids. Today, we will learn 4 important English words. This, that, these, and those. Why do we use these words? We use them to point to things. When we want to show or talk about something, we use these words to say where it is, near us or far away, and one thing or more than one thing. Let's learn them one by one. This. We use this when we talk about one thing that is near us. Example. This is a ball. The ball is near the girl. Say it with me. This is a ball. That. We use that when we talk about one thing that is far away. Example. That is a kite. The kite is far from the boy. Say, that is a kite. These. We use these when we talk about many things that are near us. Example. These are pencils. The pencils are near the girl. Say it with me. These are pencils. Those. We use those when we talk about many things that are far away. Example. Those are stars. The stars are far away. Can you say it with me? Those are stars. Let's remember. This, one thing, near. That, one thing, far. These, many things, near. Those, many things, far. You can practice by pointing at things around you. Point at your book and say, "This is my book." Look at something far, like a chair across the room, and say, "That is a chair." Hold your toys and say, "These are my toys." Look at birds in the sky and say, "Those are birds." Great job, kids! Now you know how to use this, that, these, and those. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more fun English lessons. See you in the next video.